So today I'm going to be installing blinds for all of the windows in the house. And these might be low-key some of the best blinds on the market. Now this is a sponsored video, but I am installing these in my own home, and I'm going to be completely transparent with the unboxing, install, and my first impressions after getting everything set up. So the unboxing experience was pretty smooth, very standard, everything was well packaged. This box here, I was just curious, but this is just the drapery that's going to go on the back sliding glass door. Now my current setup, this is pretty tacky, pretty janky, but I've got some temporary shades that I ordered off Amazon just to give me some privacy when I first moved in. Now, they didn't really last that well. They were just a fabric material, so I'm glad to be getting rid of those. So getting into the unboxing, each individual blind is nicely labeled how you order it, so that's nice. Now inside we've got the solar panel, we've got a remote control, hardware, and the blind itself. Now the blind was nicely packaged, it's got some extra padding on it, so that was good. Now here, just checking that the blind fits. Install is pretty simple. We've got two brackets, just position them slightly away from the edges and then drill them straight into the header. No pre-drill necessary. So it's pretty quick install. The clips are located right there on the back of the blind. So just screw those in and then the blind itself slides right in. Now, first issue, make sure you measure correctly because you don't want this to happen to you.
Bruh.
Yeah, I don't know how I messed up, but this one did not get entered incorrectly, so that's a bummer, and I had to end up reordering that and installing it later. Now for the small windows, we went ahead and had those fit correctly. So right here, screw two screws in, slide the blind in, and it snaps right into place. Super easy, convenient, fast install, no issues at all. So we've got everything going in. We've got every window. We've got the powder room, the master bedroom, the bedroom, and the office. Now I've got a couple different blind options to show you guys some of the options, but in the bedrooms we did go with the blackout curtains so that if you want to take a nap or sleep, you can go ahead and black out the room anytime during the day. In the office here, we've got a dual blind. We will talk about that more once you see it kind of up close, but this has two different options in one blind. So I've got a light filtering option as well as a blackout. In the bathroom, I just went with a light filtering 70%.
Got a big box and a little box.
Now for this back door, we've got a big glass slider, 2 bags of hardware, and a remote.
Oh, that is tough.
So the last thing that needed to be installed was the drapery. Now this living room was looking a little bland and needed a little privacy. So installing these drapes was pretty simple. You've got this rod here that connects in the middle with a couple screws. You've got the brackets, attach those to the ceiling. Now I have those pretty high because I want this running from ceiling to floor. And when you mount those, just make sure you get in some wood, get in something solid because these curtains got some weight to them. So after the bracket is attached to the wall, all we need to do now is attach the motor, plug that in, and then hang the drapes. So they have all of the connection cords on there to hang the drapes. And if you have too many or you want to change up the drapes, you are able to, you know, customize how many you want connected for, you know, whatever look you're going to. But I just connected all the points and got it in. And after that was installed, the former room was looking a little dull, so I went ahead and ordered the same drapes with the same look for the dining room, and that has the same cream drapery running from the ceiling to the floor. So same process, attach the brackets, put them into the wall, put the rod in there, and it is held in place by a little clip. So I mean, after that, all you need to do is hang your drapes, plug it in, and then I ended up going with the valance on this one. And so for the valance, you add a Velcro strip across the top, and that just attaches to the fabric to run across the top of the hardware and kind of conceal all that, so it gives it a nice clean look. So went back and did that, and after that, I mean, that was all there was to it. Now I did forget to order the valance with the triple slider, so I had to go back and get that and install it. But now that these are all up, they look amazing, and I want to show you guys exactly why they are the best. with that, you guys can see why I think these blinds are top tier. Now, I went with all remote control blinds, but they do have options to integrate with Google, Alexa, and so you can have it seamlessly integrate with your smart home if you want to go that route. They've got tons of options. Check them out. I will leave all of the information down below. If you have any questions, leave them down below as well. I will try to get back to you guys. But with that, check out SmartWings on the link below, and I will see you guys in the next one.